Hello guys, this is Soumyanjan Mishra, Technical Engineer at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to show you the connection and operation of Neewer 5V 100 ampere 16 channel cell tester. This Neewer 5V 100 ampere 16 channel cell tester is used for testing and capacity grading of cells having higher H rating. This machine requires 3-phase input supply with voltage range from 390 to 415 volt, and total power consumption of this machine is 11 kW. In this cell tester you can also test and run individual channels by programming them independently. This device is suitable for both R&D and production purpose. It also comes with temperature sensor. Why should you use this device? After purchasing new cells with higher H ratings, we need to check the charging and discharging characteristic and capacity for making a good battery pack. And also we can do capacity sorting according to their H ratings. And for that purpose, these machines help us in deciding H reading. This is the 3-phase supply we have given to this machine, and here you can see the cell connections are done. Here I plus and I minus for charging and discharging cable connection, and this is for B sensing communication cable. We have connected these to these cells with cells positive and negative terminal. Here we have given 3 cells for demo. This device requires LAN connections with TP-Link communication. So here this look, the wire is coming from the machine and connected to this TP-Link, which is supplied with single phase supply, and then again another LAN communication is connected to our PC for communication. So this is the software for the Neewer cell testing machine, BTS 7.5.4. By double clicking the software you can open this software. Here you can see this communication number is for the COM BOS connection of this device, which is 003, and here you can see all the cells connected here. Here you can see this cell channel 1 is now charging at CCCV mode, and here channel number 3 also is in charging condition. Here you can go for text view for all the data, like here channel number, step ID, cycle ID, step time, how much time it has done, voltage, how much voltage it is showing right now, the current, how much current it is charging, and capacity, how much capacity it has still given. And here you can also see the temperature also. For programming, I will program here channel number 2. I will start from here. For this you have to go here, single start. Here you need to program the process. For here we have given CCCV charging, and here we have given for time for 10 minutes and voltage up to 3.6 volt for charging, and current 60 ampere. And for then we go for rest for 1 minute, and then discharging at constant current for 10 minutes up to 2.6 volt at 60 ampere current, and then again rest, and then after that again for charging at CCCV mode for 10 minutes up to 3.2 volt at 60 ampere. This is the process for our testing. And here you can set for time, how much time we want to take the data. Here you can see time 5 seconds, and after that you have to save that. Either if you are making program for first time, you have to save the data, otherwise you have to select OK. Once selected, the program will start. Here it is asking for barcode, but we don't have right now with the cells barcode, so we will start it without barcode. So empty barcode, are you sure you want to start? So you have to put yes. Now you can see the process has started. You can see here it's jumped from CCCV to rest because it's already charged, so it jumped directly to rest period. For stopping, you can click on single stop, and for jump you can skip to next steps also by pressing this jump option. And here you can go for data view data. Here this process is done, so we will go view the data from here, view data. So for data view, you can go for from here, you select view data. Once this is loaded, here you can see all the data. Each 5 seconds you will get here, 5 to 10 second data is here. You can see here 0 and then 4, like this. You can see here voltage, your current rating, and your capacity, and time and date. According to that you will see all the data. Here you can see also how record number, time, voltage, current, capacity, energy, real time data. Here you can see there, and also here you can see temperature, which is provided with this machine. And for curve data you have to go here, select this comparative view. Here you can see the data you according to your creation. Like here you can see time, voltage, and current data. So here you in the x-axis you will find the time data and time curve, and here in y you will find, this side you will find voltage, and this side you will find, sorry, this side you will find current, and here you will find the voltage. And here you can see also there is capacity, voltage graph also available, time, capacity, and density graph also is available. And you can also create new graph by clicking here and selecting whichever curve you want. And this is all about this view. And for exporting data you just need to click here, go to view data, and from there you will need to just select this export file. Once you export here and select your name of the file, once export, testing, you can see your data in Excel file also. Once complete, you can go there in the folder and see all the data. Here in this folder the data is saved. This is the data. So this is testing data. Here you can see all the data you require after testing. So this is all about this 5 volt 100 ampere 16 channel cell testing machine of Newer Mac. Issues in this machine. If we talk about the device related issues, then communication issues arises when the device doesn't communicate with your PC. To resolve this issue, you need to check the TP-Link connection and power supply is connected properly or not. Then check IP address, which is 192.168.1.250. Then if the connection is everything is okay, then the communication related issue resolves. Other than that, another issue arises for compatibility related, and this issue is resolved by turning off the Windows firewall or antivirus. Sometimes PCB or SMPS related issues arises due to the voltage instability. This issue can be resolved by using a voltage stabilizer. And data related issue arises when the data path is not set properly for this device. So this is all about this device, Newer 5 volts 100 ampere 16 channel NTA cell tester. For live demo of this device or any other device, you can visit our head office in Patparganj Industrial Area, New Delhi. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.